relatives and dependents of our fallen heroes, particularly the beneficiaries of your scholarship, have asked me to raise my voice and tell you a very big thank you for the leader in you. We will forever be grateful to you, sir.
I commend Mr. President, General Muhammadu Buhari, Grand Commander of the Federal Republic, for his sustained efforts at defeating the Boko Haram insurgents and bandits terrorizing and destroying our communities in parts of our country. The restoration of peace to our troubled geopolitical regions and the conduct of free and fair general elections are the best legacies Mr. President can leave for our country. As leaders, our good must be one Nigeria, our destiny. As leaders, our goal must be one Nigeria, one destiny, and the challenges of building a more fair, inclusive, and just society are not beyond us. Therefore, I will not relent in my prayers to God to enable Mr. President and other leaders of our country to succeed in our mission and commitments to our country, to respect them for the dangerous professional paths they willingly choose, and love them as our children, relations, friends, and members of our communities in the nation's service. But they loved us more, and even more significantly, as fellow Nigerians, by risking their lives, health, family, and future on the battlefields to defend and protect us from harm's way in return for almost nothing. We owe them a great deal as a nation. We owe them as states. We owe them as a people. Collectively, we owe them a debt we cannot repay. Although the most we can do on this day is to extol their virtues, commemorate their sacrifice, and honor their heroic exploits so that they will never be forgotten for putting their lives on the line for us and others to live. As a state government, we have over the years provided financial support to our veterans through the state office of the Nigerian Legion. We have since released the 100 million naira for 2021 and 2022 emblem appeal launch. Today, I wish to donate the sum of 100 million naira on behalf of state government for the economic empowerment of the veteran servicemen from Rivers State.